Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sultan Ahmad Masjid. Dear students, this video is about the comprehension question answers of Unit 7 Sultan Ahmad Masjid. Let's see the answer 1. The heading is the Blue Masjid, and the answer is Sultan Ahmad Masjid is known as the Blue Masjid because of the blue tiles that embellish its interior. Answer 2. The heading is Royal Architect. The royal architect Sadifur Mehmed Agha was appointed by the Sultan as in charge of the project. Let's move to the answer 3. The heading is Chain to ensure the humility. The answer is the chain was put there so that the Sultan had to lower his head every time he entered the court. It was the symbolic gesture to ensure the humility of the ruler in the face of the divine. Hope you understand this answer. Now let's check out the answer number 4. And the heading is Interior of the Masjid. The interior of the masjid at the lower level is lined with more than 20,000 handmade ceramic tiles in more than 50 different tulip designs. At gallery level, the design becomes flamboyant with representation of flowers, fruit, and cypresses. Answer 5. Madrasa and Hospice. The answer is, it was a custom at that time that a masjid consisted of a madrasa and hospice. The reason was that there were no schools for formal education, so madrasa was there to impart knowledge. Hospice was built for the imam and his guests. And now we are moving towards the last answer, 6. The heading is Masjid Sophia. The Sultan of the Ottoman Empire Mehmed II constructed Masjid Sufia. Hope you understand these answers. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another video. Take care. Bye-bye.